Yesterday I already checked this route. Oh, nice. 서울!
After waited few minutes, the van has arrived. After I got on the van, looked around the city, it's so calm. Can't imagine yesterday's hustle and bustle. But the red sun rises, and it seems like the sun is announcing another adventure is waiting for me. Red houses and fire under the tropical tree. Maybe some of you will think, make fire in the Africa? Actually yes, it's quite cold in the morning, definitely need some fire. Or, you are going to be found frozen in the desert, like frozen fish in your fridge. Arrived at a village to get some morning coffee and have some morning toilet time. I can see shops are opening, cars are waiting. I can feel we are getting close to a tourist attraction. And the nice weather is a bonus. Arrived at some old exotic village. Wow, I feel like I'm in the movie set, like Exodus. And for your information, Morocco Atlас mountain is famous with fossils. "95 million years ago, the ancient Nile or Kem River used to flow here and formed the Kem Formation. Especially paleontologists found a lot of bipedal walking carnivorous dinosaurs such as Spinosaurus, which got famous from the movie Jurassic Park.
This one is 150.
150.
Look at this one.
Oh, how much is this one?
It's 500.
500. This is big.
No, this is complete. It's complete.
There is no
And
cover.
How much you for this? Look in small moment there. Look at this.
How much is it?
This 200.
200?
Yes. It's complete. 200.
I really wanted to have one of those, but I don't know if I can pass the check at the airport. Are you serious now? Traffic jam in the middle of nowhere? Are they waiting something?
Maybe it's one way.
One way is shut for the construction, and because of this road condition, only with few hours driving, I don't feel good already.
A lot of goats.
Looks like somebody got one fine rooftop suite.
How are you? Could I have your attention?
I am just following the guide, and I thought we arrived at some rest point just like before until I see this. Walking to the river. Water is coming from the melted snow of Mountain Atlas.
Yes, it's good.
It's good. Come here. Again. Again.
After the cat left, I can finally enjoy the true view of 8 Ben Haddou.
Awesome.
Before get there, it is time to follow the desert fashion trend. But I couldn't do it alone, so got some help from French friend.
Good? Yalla, yalla.
Whoops, my team is going further. I gotta hurry. Thankfully, that thing didn't happen if you expected to see me slip over to the mud. From here, I can see this is more like a fortress with around 10 watchtowers and gates. As the sun rises, the temperature is increasing. Better move fast to get into the shadow of the wall. It seems like the people dug this to bring water from the stream, and it is quite clean. Hey, I think I can read this. No motorbike. And this also, designated to UNESCO. Climbing up the 8 Ban Haddou is quite steep, so don't forget to cheer your team up.
Yalla, yalla.
Almost every structure is covered with red dirt, but it seems the main bone of the structure is formed with stones. Of 8 Ban Haddou is drawing something. I see he's drawing some castaways and a man. and suddenly turn on the gas and put a fire? What? And now he is literally cooking the paper.
A few moments later.
Wow.
This looks familiar. Piling up the stones, what I was good at when I was 10. Let me check if I'm still good at it. Got on the top of the 8-ban Haddou, seeing this landscape, and yes, I can see why more than 20 movies were filmed here. Before going to next destination, Chinese friend took me pictures. Oh yeah, they are really good at this.
I'll be back.
Why always another person's food looks more delicious? Or maybe I ordered wrong food today. Well, for this, I will just take this much oranges instead. After a few minutes hit the road, I found something really interesting. Does anyone know what is the shiny, giant, torch-looking structure? Do you guys see? Moon is right up there above the valley. Which means gotta go to the accommodation. Christmas decoration in the Hotel of Africa. Very nice.
I think the hotel is better than tourist attraction. Very good.
As the sun goes down, the moon rises.
So I just got in. This is the key. Air conditioner.
Oh yeah, let there be light. This one? Okay. Oh, this light is better.
How long will it gonna hold? 8 hours? 5 hours?
one?
Yeah, yeah.
That one till 11 midnight.
Ooh. So it's like only 3 hours, that big one.
Like that.
Which soup is it? Fish?
Vegetarian.
Vegetarian. Okay. This is lamb, turkey, lamb again, beef, chicken, vegetarian. Yeah, okay.
Portuguese, German, French, and Korean. Dinner meeting has begun. We are talking about amazing experiences in Madeira Island, about fireworks and flowers.
That's why you stopped the video.
And yes, of course, talking about if I'm from North or South Korea.
No problem?
No. I was explaining it is difficult to live in North Korea.
Yeah. Anyway, in Korea we really enjoyed playing with the fire. In my mother's generation and father's generation, they put fire in the tin can like this. Put fire and made a lot of hole, and they were swinging it.
Oh.
So that is why they have a lot of holes at the head. So I don't know. So if you put the fire in the can and swing it, and it's going to look like this.
Wow.
Something like a special skill in the game, right? Nice. Great play. You can try now.
How often you can use it?
French friends wanted to be in my YouTube video, so I gave them a chance.
A few moments later.
Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello to
French.
45. Oh, okay. It's French.
Je parle en français. Ok. C'est quoi? Il y a des abonnés? En vacances au Maroc.
Do you understand?
Avec Shun.
Really?
Yes, I can understand French, but I'm not able to speak.
Vive la Botec.
Because you were laughing and she understood this French, so she's not laughing. So I was asking. What did she say? Cut, NG.
Whole families of this hotel owner came out and started to play their musical instrument. I hope there's someone who can interpret their song's meaning. Because this repeating rhythm makes